Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to the daily trading analysis video. Today is Friday, 8th of May, and we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Alright, so this is the 4-hour rate chart. As you can see, that price it almost reaches the final exhaustion level at the price of 1.1400, and then it starts to fall. So right here, if we look closely, it is actually forming a probable head and shoulder, with the head being formed, or rather it's about to complete. We are expecting price to fall further to the support level at 1.1074 as the neckline. Then we might expect price to rebound from there and starts to form second shoulder. Right, so there's a possibility, and therefore right now we're just expecting price to fall further. Alright, so pretty straightforward for the euro against US dollar. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. So as we can see, price has continued to fall further. Right now, it is being supported at the price of 0.7422. Quite a key support level that has been holding price since the first of the 1st of April. Once and twice right here at the 13th of April. So we might expect the price might appreciate from here, but however, if we zoom in into a smaller time frame based on the current situation, this might be an exception. So we are just waiting for a quick retracement to finish, and then we might rather look for a short opportunity, expecting price to break below this support level to the next support level at the price of 0.7331. Alright, next we have the pound against the US dollar. So price has actually rallied this very early in the morning due to the parliament election in the UK. Not going to touch so much about the details, but that's what happens. And but however, price is currently seen resisted and pulling back very strongly at the resistance level of 1.5486, which is also the previous high before it starts to fall. So we are actually expecting price to continue to fall further from here, though the election may have spurred the currency to rally, but the situation is still kind of similar in terms of the economy situation. So price may still continue to fall from here. Alright, so that's for the pound against US dollar. Next, we have the Aussie against the US dollar. Well, so price has also begun to fall. If you look over here, there's actually a pattern right here, not exactly the head and shoulder, but kind of a slanted one, and it is respecting this area that I've plotted. So ever since it got resisted at the top of this band itself, it starts to fall, and right now it's at the lower band, and we are expecting price to break below very soon, which I'm actually taking this level as a neckline of a head and shoulder, although we don't really project this as a head and shoulder. But yes, so zooming the smaller time frame, just waiting for further quick retracement, and then we shall look for a shorts, expecting price to break lower all the way to at least the support level at 0.7732. Next, we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. As we know, that price has begun to fall and attempting to fall all the way back to the previous support level at the price of 118.54. But however, it seems that that's not going to happen, and price began to appreciate again. Right now, we are expecting price to appreciate all the way back to the previous resistance level at 120.25, and still expecting price to appreciate even further. In the smaller time frame itself, this pattern itself could be a signal the price may appreciate further. As long as we start to see the price breaks below this level, this region, then we are expecting price to appreciate further from there. Alright, next we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. So price has actually fall previously and got pulled back immediately as it touches the price of 0.9075 final exhaustion level, the feeble expansion 161.8% level. So and then it fell back into the major falling trend channel itself from the bottom, and as therefore expected price to appreciate further from here. And if we zoom into smaller time frame, there is a chart pattern that's pretty similar to the Alright, so from here, just expecting price to appreciate further. Hopefully, it breaks above this region itself. Then we can expect, we can be more confident about the price will appreciate further. Looking at the resistance level at 0.9414 as the very first key resistance level. Alright, so that's for the dollar against Swiss franc. And I just want to touch on a few other currency pair. Firstly, the dollar against the Canadian dollar. In the daily time frame itself, we are seeing that price has been supported twice at the 200 moving average. Alright, so we are actually expecting that the US dollar may begin to rally from here, or rather regain its strength in terms of appreciation as the Federal Reserve move closer to raising interest rates. So you may want to take a look at this currency pair, look for quick retracement right here to see if you can actually capture a long opportunity for this currency pair. Of course, we have seen the price has retraced pretty significantly, so this could be a good opportunity. Right now, it's at the correct level, I would say so. So next, we have the Aussie against the New Zealand dollar. Right. So what happened is that price has also in the day chart retraced pretty much, and we are just waiting for price to appreciate a little bit further to the retracement level of 61.8%, the price of 1.0788. Alright, it does show the previous resistance right here. So this is pretty straightforward. Just you want to take note of this. And next we have the Aussie against the Japanese yen. Right, as I've been saying for quite some time, there was actually a rising trend chart in the weekly charts itself, and price is rebounding off from the bottom. Alright, so right here, if we take a look at the day chart itself, I'm actually looking at this band right here. So it does seem that the price has been respecting this whole band itself very well. So based on the pattern itself, I'm expecting price to appreciate further eventually and break above this region. So you might want to wait for the long opportunity as price gets closer enough to the lower band of this region itself, and just wait for the price to appreciate and break above the top of this region. Right, so that's for the Aussie against Japanese yen, and with that, I've come to the end of my trade analysis video for today. So thank you for watching, and good luck for the long farm employment change later on at 8:30 p.m. Goodbye.